experiments are happening over here. So this is a bush dahlia, and I am going to take cuttings of it. It doesn't get very big, it stays in a pot. But I wanted to show you something. You can take these root riots, and they fit in some pots. And you can fit 4 of them in a pot. So let's turn this around. So I'm going to take some cuttings off of this. This is a dahlia. It's a bush dahlia that stays kind of small. But let me show you what I'm going to do. So I put 4 root riots in a pot, and then took some cuttings off of the dahlia and put it in some rooting hormone. And now we're going to stick it in these little, I did make sure to get it nice and wet because we're really dry here in Utah. So there's 1, doing this with my left hand, 2, get in there, 3, and I'll put this last one in, 4. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some soil over the top of this so it stays nice and moist. And then I'm going to put it in under a humidity dome, under lights, on a heat mat. And I got to label this one bush. I don't remember what color it was. This is potting soil with some vermiculite in it. And I'm going to just kind of go around all these cuttings. Now I'm going to do this one. So now I have some dahlia cuttings and peppers under a humidity dome on the lights. And I'm going to put this on so it makes condensation like that one. Alright, we're going to check on these dahlia cuttings. These were done a few days ago. They're looking pretty good. I don't see any roots. Are they looking dry at all? I might water them, but they don't look too bad.